Monday, toward the end of the US trading session. This is not going to be a live trading video, but I do want to introduce NINZA's latest indicator, and this is Boss Order Block. And I really want to take the time in this video and just explain what is it that this indicator does. Besides the signals, I think the signals here are secondary. What is much more important is the picture that this indicator will give you about the market. Are you looking for longs or are you looking for shorts? Should you favor one side, and if so, which side? So I really want to again just take a few minutes and talk about this, and at some point this week I will make a live trading video featuring this indicator. But for now, so what is an order block? Well, an order block is a price where the big institutions, the banks, the big funds, where they are either buying or selling. So in the pre-market today, we can see some selling, right? This is a place where there is some selling going on. When this happens, you really don't want to be long at this point. What it tells you is, all things being equal, you really don't want to be long here. If anything, try to find a way to get short. And again, here there is no signal from the indicator itself, but I just want to talk about the benefit that this indicator will give you and how it could improve your trading. So you definitely are looking for shorts in a case like this. Now, price is coming down, and already from previous time, the indicator finds that this area had some buying already. So once price arrives here, you may want to stop with the shorts. I don't know if you want to go long necessarily, but at least you don't want to be short anymore, at least for now. And now look what happens when the market opens. So strong, big buying coming in. So again, at this point, you should not be thinking, I want to short this. You'll be surprised how your trading will improve if you can just stick to one side. If you ignore shorts when there is huge buying, or if you ignore longs when there is big selling. In this case, of course, as soon as the market opened, tons of buying is coming in, a lot of buying. You don't want to be short. Maybe you can't necessarily get into a long position if you want to pull back or something, but at least you are not looking to get short. And even more buying is coming in. So the market is taking a small break, right? The market is taking a small break. By the way, and this might be a bit more advanced, but those of you who are more experienced, you guys might understand this. Once a resistance is broken, once an area of prior selling was conquered by the bulls, you know price is going higher. You just know that. So again, the benefit of having such a trading tool where you can see it's like a map on the chart. It tells you what is it that the big institutions want to do. And if you want to be successful, you should really be on the same side as the institutions, not trying to fight them. And there is more buying coming in. So again, more buying is coming in. You're just looking for a way to get long. Again, you can combine this with other indicators that you have. It's just that whatever indicators you have, you would be looking for long signals from those indicators. Now, some selling is identified. So here is a block. In other words, big institutions or bank or whatever starting to sell. This is what they're starting to sell. Now, it's a bit scary to be short, obviously, after such a huge move, but at least you know that maybe for now you should kind of stay away from longs. Maybe you're not brave enough to go short, wouldn't blame you, but at least you maybe say, you know what, let's take a break from the buying. Let's take a break from long positions. There is some buying here, but again, it's met by this order block area here. And here is an actual signal from boss order block right over here. Again, for me, the benefit, it goes beyond the signal. You're just understanding what the market is doing. So there is some buying here, you see the buying, which led right to this order block selling area, and price is now decreasing. Again, this is painted ahead of time. Some buying and some selling, and now again, just what I spoke about before, right? A break through an area which was a prior area of selling. A breakthrough, it means price is going higher. Break and retest. Once there is a turnaround, to me this is a clear long signal right over here, right? We break through the selling area, retesting it from the top, very, very typical, and now up we go. Now we make some new highs, but then again, here it is, some selling is coming in. So at this point, again, maybe you're not brave enough to take a short, but at least you said, you know what, let's take a break from the buying. There is some selling coming in. And sure enough, the selling leads to this prior area where institutions were buying, the other order block. So if I can kind of squeeze this, you guys can see it, right? Here it is. It's this area. It's this area being retested from the top. Thus, this selling brought price back to this area of buying. You see how beneficial this is? Again, beyond the signals, slightly more experienced traders will do great with this because they will understand what is happening here, and that's why I find this indicator to be so exciting. So, price retest. Now, I would not necessarily suggest just be long. Remember, there are areas below us that price could go to. We don't know ahead of time that's going to stop here. So you must have some kind of a way of confirming that this is it. One way could be a bar that closes up, right? So here is a bar coming into this former buying area, this order block. Now for you to confirm that indeed it's still good, I would wait for a bar to close up. And here we go, right? Now, where could it go in theory? Well, couldn't it go right up to here? Right up to here? So this is now real time. You see how price is trying to reach this. When price is reaching this, if I am long, I'm looking to protect myself. I'm looking to either just outright take my profit or trail my stop, or if I'm trading in multiples, take partial position off. Very important, because again, you know this ahead of time. You know it's coming. You know this area was an area where there was some selling coming in earlier. So more selling can come in again. You see here is price now attempting to come over here. So I am very excited about this indicator, and I will make a live trading video featuring this indicator. As we're talking, you see what price is doing, right? You see what price is doing. After coming into a buying area that was buying area before, it's now attempting this area here, which resulted in selling. So I would be careful for sure if I was in a long position. So again, I will make a live video featuring this indicator. I think it's extremely beneficial. It will help you figure out what is it that the big institutions are doing. At the end of the day, it's not people like us who move the markets, right? It's the big institutions, the big banks, the big funds, and this is their footprint. So you will know where they come in to buy, where they come in to sell, and I think it would improve anyone's trading. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you are subscribed, because there will be a video of me trading this live at some point this week. Thank you all.